She is cooking up a storm, and me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it, you have to taste it. And when you taste it.
Hi guys, it's Jody. Welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some steak bites. Yes, so guys, this is my steak right here. You can use ribeye steak, whichever one you have, okay? It doesn't really matter. I also have some fresh thyme, at least 1 tablespoon, and 3 cloves of garlic. These are all of my seasoning. Here I have at least ½ teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning, and I also have adobo, garlic and parsley seasoning, smoked paprika, onion powder, and jerk seasoning, black pepper, and that's ½ teaspoon, okay? But guys, I will list everything below, okay? I also have some butter. You're gonna need some unsalted butter, and that's just over 1 tablespoon. Don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I'll really appreciate it. Stay tuned. So guys, first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut my steak, and as I said, you can use whichever one you have. This steak is quite big. I'm not sure the name of it guys, but it's just steak, but it doesn't have a lot of fat on it, okay? So you're gonna need a sharp knife, and I'm just gonna take my time and just cut it like so, okay? So as soon as I cut it, I'm just gonna cut it this way now. I'm using a different knife because that knife was a bit dull. So guys, this size is perfect, okay? So that's done. So I'm just gonna take it all and put it in my bowl. So that's perfect. So guys, now I'm gonna season my steak. And I'm gonna firstly add some olive oil, at least 2 teaspoons, and I'm also gonna add some dark soya sauce, 2 teaspoons also. I'm just gonna blend my seasoning together because you want everything to all combine, and I'm just gonna add it all. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add a small amount of my jerk marinate, okay? This is like ½ teaspoon. You don't need a lot, and this is just gonna add more flavor, okay? So that's why I'm adding it. So now I'm just gonna mix it all in. Guys, it smells amazing. This is gonna be so good. You guys are gonna enjoy it. Make sure that everything is all combined, okay? I'm just gonna add just a pinch of salt. That's it. You don't need a lot. So this is done, guys. So I'm just gonna put it to the side, okay? Perfectly seasoned. so yummy. So guys, this is my butter, as you can see. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna crush my garlic into my butter. This is gonna be so flavorful, guys. This is gonna be the best steak bite you guys ever gonna have. It's gonna be so good. And you can also roast your garlic, okay? That garlic smells so good. And I'm just gonna mix it all in. I'm gonna cut a few of my thyme leaf. You can also add rosemary if you don't have the fresh thyme. Just gonna put it to the side, okay? So guys, my skillet is now on my stove, and I add at least just over 1 tablespoon of my olive oil. You want to make sure that your stove is on a medium heat. Try not to turn it up too high, okay? So now I'm gonna add my steak, okay? And I'm just gonna allow it to fry, guys, for at least 3 minutes on each side. Try not to overcook your steak, okay? So guys, just after 3 minutes or so, I'm just gonna flip it over. Just flip it to the side, okay? Look at that. It looks so good.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey! Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey! Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more of these.
So guys, it is finished. So now I'm gonna remove it. Look at that, guys. So nice and so juicy. Absolutely delicious. It looks so good. Just putting it to my plate. So now I'm gonna add my remaining steak. So guys, it is all finished. It looks super delicious, so yummy. I'm just gonna remove it now. You want to make sure that your stove is on a low heat, okay? So guys, my stove is on a low heat, okay? Make sure that your stove is on a low heat. So now I'm gonna add my butter and my garlic to my pot. Just like so. I'm gonna also add just a bit of my dark soya sauce. Just gonna allow it to melt, okay? And guys, this is totally optional, but I'm gonna add at least 1 teaspoon of my honey, okay? And that's it. And it's just gonna add more flavor.
Come in the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a storm. And me like how she a gwan.
So guys, this is the fun part. Now I'm gonna add my steak bites. Look at that. This look amazing. Absolutely delicious. So good. You wanna mix it all in? This is like food prawn, guys. It looks so good. Absolutely delicious. I'm just gonna finish it off with some of my fresh thyme, and I'm just gonna leave it for at least 30 to 20 seconds until it is ready, okay? So guys, my steak bites is all finished. I just turned my stove off. I'm telling you, it looking super delicious. It came out perfect, guys. So perfect. You can serve it with some mashed potato, some fries, some rice. Listen guys, whatever you preferred. This recipe right here is a must try. Your families, your friends, your loved one, everyone are gonna enjoy it. It is so yummy. Don't forget guys to give me a thumbs up. Please share this video to someone that you know that will enjoy it also. So now guys, as you can see, I'm just plating up my steak, and honestly guys, I taste some and the flavor is everything. It is so nice and so juicy and so moist. It is cooked to perfection. Super yummy. Guys, I thank you all so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye. Love you all.